All right, today we have black rice, also known as forbidden rice. I don't know why, just because of the color it has to be negative, but we're not gonna go there. Black rice, you have to soak for 30 minutes or more. I soaked mine for 45 minutes. It's very good for diabetics. Wild rice, black rice, it doesn't hold as much starch as white rice. So very good. And we're just going to make this rice to go with our fish stew. You saw me make the fish broth for the fish stew. So what we're going to do, we soaked it, washed it for 45 minutes, as I said. You only need just a little water from above from what regular rice would be. So since you soaked it, we're gonna put this on the back eye right now and let this cook on high, bring to a boil. Okay, as you can see, the back pot, is boiling. So we're going to turn this down on low and put this top on. And as you see, I did not put any seasoning or anything in the rice because the stew will have all the seasoning. Then I'm also going to make some okra and tomato and may put that over the rice. All right. So what I'm going to do, put just a little olive oil, have everything medicated. I'm just going to use an ounce of that King's Brand olive oil just to saute these vegetables and the seasoning that I'm going to put inside of this fish stew. Okay, so that's on. Got a little onion powder. Got a little garlic powder. This is smoked paprika. I'm measuring, I'm just putting enough. Black pepper. All right. Once again, the fish broth has a lot of flavor. We'll season more when we taste. Now, while this is going on, got that oil in there while these vegetables are sauteing, getting a little just color on them, things of that nature. Stir that up. I am going to cut my red snapper so that it can go into. All right. So stay with me, I'll be back. All right, that seasoning's activated. So now I've cut my red snapper into chunks. I'm gonna add those. I'm gonna cut up maybe one more. All right. We're gonna put that in there. Great. Stir this around. Okay. Now, wash my hands. Okay. And now I'm going to add this fish broth to the pot. All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna let this, I'm putting this on medium, maybe medium low, number 4. And I'm just gonna let this boil for about 15-20 minutes or until the fish becomes flaky. All right, and by that time, my rice should be done. Catch us later. Well, also, I'm adding just some chopped jalapenos to this. All right, everybody. This is the end result. Fish stew. With black or forbidden rice. And with okra and tomatoes. Everything is infused, so this is how you truly microdose. You need to make complete meals so everything has it in there. Okay? So, make complete meals where everything has a little bit of it in there, and you guys will be okay. Thank you very much. Goodbye.